Hello, today we have a 9 of 4 fruit into basket. You're visiting a farm that had single row of fruits, trees arranged from left to the right. The trees are represented by integer array fruits. Fruit Y is a type of a fruit I produces. You want to collect as much fruits as possible, however, the owner has some strict rule that follows. You only have 2 baskets, and each basket has hold a single type of fruit. There is no limit on the amount of fruit each basket can hold. Starting from the tree of your choice, you must pick exactly 1 fruit from every tree, including the start tree. We're moving to the right. The picked fruits must fit in one of your basket, because only one basket can hold only one type, single type, okay? Once you reach a tree with fruits that cannot reach in basket, you must stop. Okay, that cannot fit in your basket, you must stop. Given an integer fruit, the maximum number of fruits you can pick. Okay, so fruits 1 to 1, output 3. Yeah, because I have 2 types, right? Two baskets. 2 baskets, okay? So we can pick 1 in one basket, 2 in another basket, and we have 1, 2, 1, 3 fruits output. 3. Yeah, also I see that. 4, 2, 3, and 2, 2. So 2 basket can fit 4 fruit. Okay, you can pick from trees. And that started. Okay, then 5 fruit length. So yeah, and obviously we can do brute force solution for that. We can enumerate through array, calculate amount of fruit types, and so we can enumerate. So there is a solution A. We iterate. We create map. We iterate for A in fruits. We do map A plus 1. So we will know for which fruit how many fruits per type we have. And then we sort map A by value. And so we will have by value descending, and then we return a sum of 2 map values. Yep. So time complexity of this will be O(n) n log n, because we have sorting here. So we must sort, right? And base complexity will be n, because we need to store our fruit types. Another solution will be a sliding window solution. If we go through we declare map, and we start from let's copy this. Oh, we start from iterate. So, and then we declare left and right pointers as well to 0, 0. And then while, if we have a, I better explain on this example, if we have a left here and then right here, and while right less than amount of fruits elements, we do following: if map length of map is less than equal to, we also we must have a counter as well, and we must have a result value that we will return a counter and we result. So if length of a map means less than 2, that means we can expand and move R here. And now we have 3 kinds in that, right? So we do R plus 1, counter plus equal 1, and at the end we else we and here we see if, and we also added we increase map what is on the right. I would rather add this like this. So we add the counter to the right, and otherwise we move in left counter. So we decrease here. If it's 0, we remove it. Delete it. And at the end, if counter less than 2, we res equal. And also we decrease counter, and we decrease left counter as well. So we will be moving left. Oh, we increase left. Sorry. So we do this here because first we have to update our map, decrease counter, decrease left position, and delete it. Left. Yep. We do left, left, left. So if it become, if right now 3, we decrease left. We move left here. And now we have a 2 kind, and then we increase right, increase counter. And now counter is 3, and we have a 2 kind. So our answer will be 3. It should be working this way. Res equal counter res, and we return result. Alright, let's quickly run it through. Yeah, this is a plan. So let's go and implement this. I like the solution B better because we are not including sorting. So it will be n log n, which is slightly better than solution A, I think. So let's go and implement this. So our code will be following map, declare map, I think it will be good to declare, sorry, this is my typos, declare map as empty collection default dictionary int, and then this is looking good, this is looking good. Yes, this is not counter, this is, should be len of map. Yep, the same as we have here. Because we calculate counter only if our condition met, which is len of map. And we return the res, right? Oh, so here should be max. Let's see. Nice. No errors. Oh my god, it's like amazing. Oh wow. It's not that good, but still, without any errors. Okay. What is the best? Oh, this is the same left-right counter. But this solution is for some reason works faster. So probably they okay. Alright, yeah, basically there is a faster way, obviously, and there is probably to do it. I don't know how, I have to figure it out. Yeah, I'll probably look at the solution, the fastest solutions, and we'll try to figure out how they make it like so fast. Alright, thank you for watching.